Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aruja Midhan and I am going to present the topic Birdsfoot trefoil. I will describe it briefly. So now let's start the topic of presentation. First of all, I will discuss what is Birdsfoot trefoil. Birdsfoot trefoil is a plant with several agricultural uses. Its botanical name is Lotus corniculatus. It belongs to the family legumes, kingdom Plantae, phylum Sapermetaphyta. At least 25 varieties are available. Buying seeds from a local supplier ensures that you get a good variety for your area. For farmers, Birdsfoot trefoil uses include crop for cutting as hay, livestock forages, crop cover, crop plant. Floral structure. Birdsfoot trefoil is a short to medium-leaved perennial legume. The inflorescence of Lotus corniculatus are umbel-like cymers borne at the end of axillary branches. Each inflorescence bears 8 pea-like fragrant flowers, pale yellow to bright yellow, sometimes tinged with red, hence the common name bacon and eggs. Origin. First cultivated in northern Europe. Nutritionally importance. Birdsfoot trefoil is a valuable forage for ruminants. Legume-based salads including birdsfoot trefoil providing moderate concentrations of condensed tannins can be used to increase the efficiency of protein digestion and to improve animal health under grazing, producing more sustainable grazing system. Plant characteristic. Root system. Strong branch taproot with many smaller roots. Stems. Relatively small stems arising from a crown, semi-erect or upright in yellow habit. There is less fiber than in alfalfa or red clover. Leaves. Palatable and nutritious. Occur alternately either side of the stem. Each is composed of 5 leaflets, 3 apical and 2 basal resembling stipules. Flower. Large bean type, yellow to orange flowers. Corniculatus is from the Latin meaning yellow. Then emasculation method are found in big trefoil which has underground stems formerly known as rhizomes. Underground stems are highly desirable in forage plants because their buds are protected from herbivory and therefore they have a greater shoot regrowth potential and can reproduce by fragmentation. In advance in Birdsfoot trefoil was its breeding with rhizomatous germ plant collected in Morocco, which gave rise to the ARS 2620 cultivar in the United States. Lee and Busey linked 1996 described that the underground stems of the Moroccan germ plants were very similar to the aerial stems but originated from the axillary buds in the underground portion of the stems. At ground level, they had adventitious roots coming from the broadest portion of the nodes where scale leaves were found. After some horizontal and underground growth, they emerged from the ground and gave rise to aerial stem. Then crossing technique. Stages of flower development relevant to masculation and cross fertilization. A and B, young flowers inappropriate for fertilization. C, proper flower for cross pollination. D, flower to mature for cross fertilization. Note the difference to flower shown in C is the complete extension of the anther filament and the ripening of the pollen as well as the curvature of the stigma. Then improvements in Birdsfoot trefoil. Conventionally, farmers rely upon the routine use of anthelmintics to control helminth parasites and their use has proved highly cost effective. However, several factors including the emergence of helminths resistance to pharmaceutical anthelmintics are forcing farmers to seek alternative approaches to parasite control. Studies in New Zealand have shown that some alternative forages may reduce parasitic infestation in sheep. In another study, it was found that under UK environmental conditions, lumps with naturally acquired helminth infections grazing chicory and Birdsfoot trefoil had fewer helminth parasites than sheep grazing ryegrass white clover. Birdsfoot trefoil is slow to establish and vulnerable to competition from other plant species during establishment. Early spring seedlings are generally more successful. In Michigan than summer seedlings, care must be taken to ensure good seed to soil contact and an acceptably low level of competition from companion crops or weeds to developing birdsfoot trefoil seedlings. If a small grain nuts crop or perennial companion grass is used, it is a good idea to use a relatively low seedling rate of nuts crop grass and remove the nuts crop grass when it reaches 8 to 10 inches in height. Thank you.